I look like Rocco in the road.
Since August, gift cards vanish, small amounts at first, then thousands by November. At the center, a young employee hiding struggle behind a counter. What begins as quiet survival soon grows into a fraud the company can't ignore.
And I didn't want to run him over, so I swerved to the right, and it was a car on the other in that lane.
Ma'am.
But I didn't want to hit the wall.
Ma'am, hi.
Hello.
How are you? Do you have a driver's license and insurance on you?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you mind just rolling your window down for me for my partner over there? The reason why I stopped is you only have one taillight.
Oh,
okay. Is this your car?
no.
Okay.
My parking.
Sorry, I can't see behind there. Somebody else.
Yeah. Can you mind just rolling? Do you mind just rolling your back window down for me, please? Thank you, because we can't see it all in the car. Appreciate it.
My parking lot.
Whose car is it?
My boyfriend's car.
Okay. When was the last time you smoked marijuana in the car?
Notice how quickly the stop shifts. From a broken taillight, the officer now asks about marijuana. This change is critical.
Do you have a medical marijuana card?
No, he does.
Okay.
I don't smoke.
Okay. Is there any marijuana in the car right now? Because I can smell it. Okay. All right. Just hang tight here with my partner, all right?
Where is that right there?
Do you mind just handing me that roach, please? Appreciate it. Thank you. I'll be right back. This is actually Valerie. That's what's coming up on my GPS.
Barley Lane.
Valerie Lane.
Oh, those are the tail lights. All right, 2006 Doctrine. All right.
You can probably, when we are done, you can probably just back up. It's better.
All right, can you do me a favor? Can you just shut off your car for me? I'm just gonna have you step out real quick, okay? Anything else in the car that you want to tell me about? Okay.
But why am I stepping out?
So we're gonna search the vehicle now based on the odor that I'm getting and the fact that you had a burned blunt right there.
You can't search
Okay.
my vehicle.
I absolutely can, and I am going to. So I'm gonna have you exit the car.
You can't search the vehicle.
I'm
Ma'am,
gonna have you exit
just
the
hang
car.
up the phone because he's giving you instructions.
Where we're
that
not
he's
like
putting you in trouble.
we're past that. Okay.
I know that.
We're
But
gonna
he's
have you
putting you in trouble. We have the
just
lawful.
open the door.
You can't unlock my vehicle.
Yes, I can.
No, you cannot.
Don't do that. Don't do that.
unlock my
Don't do that.
Get out of
Why are y'all
Get out of
You're
the
racist.
car.
Get out of the car.
Why are y'all
Get out of the
pulling me
car.
out the
You're racist. Get out of the car.
Why are y'all
Get out of the car.
This is the turning point. Refusal to exit becomes physical removal. Officers call it resisting, while she insists she isn't.
car, bro?
Get out of the
Why
car.
y'all putting y'all
Get
hands
out of the
on
car.
me? Okay.
Get out of the car.
Like, y'all not giving me a chance to get out of the car.
Get out of the
Bro,
car.
I'm like,
Watch your hands. Watch your hands.
Get out of the car.
why are y'all pulling me? Bro,
Stop
what the
resisting.
f***? Y'all are pulling me out the
Put your hand behind your back. Put the hand
What
behind
the
your
I'm not resisting. I am not resisting. Y'all pull me
Stop
out of my
resisting.
vehicle.
You're resisting
I am
right
not
now.
resisting.
Yes, we asked you to step out. And you said that you
What do
wouldn't.
you mean? All I have to do is get out of the car. You pulled the door open, ma'am. What do you mean? Can I have my phone? Can I have my phone, please?
You cannot have your phone right now.
Why can I have my stuff?
Relax. Relax.
Why are you trying to pull me? I ain't did so
Stand up for me. Stand up.
Why y'all taking out my shit?
You have no right to search the vehicle, though. It's harassment, ma'am.
This is not harassment.
Yes, this is harassment, ma'am. Yes, this is harassment, ma'am.
The driver calls it harassment. Police insist it's procedure. This clash of perspectives is where many legal battles begin.
All right, face the car for me. I asked you to just step out of the car.
And I was until you opened my car.
No, you're not. You said no.
Was.
You say no.
No, I
Several
did not
times.
say no. I said you had no right
We
to
were
search
here.
the
We got
vehicle.
cameras. We have.
You said you had. I said you had no right to search the
Yeah,
vehicle.
we have the right.
No, you do not.
we told you
you
that,
do
okay?
not have a probable
You
cause.
can take it to court.
I did nothing wrong, bro.
Are you not wearing a bra?
No.
Is that
Am I being? Am I going to jail?
for obstruction? I asked you several times to get out of the car. I I don't know who you're listening to, but he gave you bad advice.
I didn't.
Okay, get in the car. Get in the car.
Can you please hear me out?
Get in the car.
I am a female,
Ma'am,
though.
get in the car.
Can you please hear me
You're
out?
not listening again. You're not listening again.
Yes, you did. I asked you to step out of the car. I used to say
You
no,
gave me
no.
you gave me no chance. All I said was you
You
had
say
no right
get
to
out of the
touch
car
the
several times. There is more marijuana over here under the seat with the pieces.
Where is it at? Just took a check on her to make sure she's 1074. All right, what did you find, just so I know?
The grinder, the little marijuana.
Oh, here he is. Welcome.
Okay. Y'all had no right to go in my truck.
Just wait a minute.
Y'all
We'll
need to
talk to you in a
explain
minute.
this to
Okay.
me. Why is she under arrest?
First of all,
y'all
we
should
don't-
have detained her. I know my rights.
Okay.
Have detained her. I know my rights.
Okay.
The boyfriend challenges the officers, demanding justification. His reaction reflects how community trust often collides with authority.
We don't need to explain anything to you. First of all, we don't have to. We don't have to tell you anything.
I
all right?
heard everything.
But you're walking up on a traffic stop. I'm asking you politely. Give us a minute. We'll come talk to you, okay?
Y'all should have detained her.
I'm being nice right now, man. I'm just asking you. Just give us a minute. We'll come talk to you, okay? I'm not trying to be a jerk, but you can't walk up on a traffic stop yelling like that.
Y'all said the brake light was out. Why y'all didn't issue a ticket? She lived right here. She's on my insurance.
Just
The
give
bug
us
is
a
in
minute,
there.
all right?
Okay, I'm gonna give you a
Okay.
minute, but I want proper answers.
Okay,
please.
yeah, we'll
and
do that.
what's your badge number and your name?
1835, and it's Carter. But 1980 if you just give us a minute,
I'm gonna talk to you. I'll wait
we'll talk to
patiently.
you, okay?
I'll
Thank
wait
you.
patiently.
I appreciate
and I
it.
want you to legally justify and explain everything because I heard everything and I have it recorded on the phone.
That's fine. Yeah,
And
we're also recording
y'all
everything.
Y'all body cameras?
Yeah, we're recording everything. We're also, you might want to get your transmission checked out after this.
Hey, that's right. I know about
Well, he obviously doesn't know Pennsylvania v. Mims.
I don't think he does.
That,
Stop playing. It's a traffic stop. So I need them to justify this. And I want to roll back the body camera. You feel me? And I'm going to put the lawyer on the situation. I'm not playing. I work. I'm going to drop the money. I'm not playing. Y'all got the wrong one. Y'all should have detained her, which y'all should have did instead of putting her out. Y'all don't unlock no truck and pull her out. I'm taking a break like this, taking out my money and I spend my money.
do you want me to explain it to you?
Give me my keys.
No,
Do you want me to explain it to you?
Huh?
Do you seriously,
What's
do
your
you want me
badge
to,
number? What's your badge number?
1650,
What's your
1650, Hughes. Okay, she was stopped for traffic violation. She had weed in the car. That gives us the right to search the car. Also, Supreme Court case Pennsylvania v. Mims gives us the right to remove anyone from a vehicle for officer safety purposes. You cannot refuse. If you refuse, it's obstruction, okay? So Supreme Court case says we're allowed to do that. And there was weed in the car. That's why the car is being searched.
Did you explain that to her? Because I heard her asking you and you didn't explain that to her. Which y'all...
I wasn't here for the traffic stop. I'm just explaining to you what I was told when I got here by the officers
on
on
the
scene.
body camera footage, it'll show they proceeded to unlock the truck instead of explaining to her. Someone who unknowingly don't know the law. You feel me?
What I was told was that she was on the phone with you,
Right.
and they asked her to step out because there was marijuana in the car, and you told her on the phone no.
They ain't say nothing about it.
Well, then
would've
how
told
did
me.
they not? Because she handed them the roach. She handed them the blunt that she was smoking. They said, "Hey, you got weed in the car?" She goes, "Here it is," and handed it to them. So obviously she was aware because she handed them the blunt.
Okay, so
Okay.
this is my thing. Why did they force you to take her out of the car?
Because she refused to get out on her own.
Because she refused to get
Yep,
out.
that's obstruction.
So they opened the car.
Yes.
And they took her out.
Yes.
Because she refused.
Yes.
Everything
Supreme,
that y'all saying will play back on the
case
body
law
camera.
says we're allowed to do that. Pennsylvania v. Mims.
Case law says y'all allowed to
Yes,
do
sir.
that. And body camera will show everything.
Yes,
If
it will.
not, that's a lawsuit. Y'all do know that, right?
That's fine, buddy. Do what you need to do, but yes.
Done, but should have just listened.
Give me my keys when y'all get done to get out my shit. I ain't
Well,
got
we'll deal with that
nothing
when we're done, but we're not done.
to say. Hurry up.
You don't make the rules, boss. You can wait. You might wait longer now.
I don't know why you just didn't open the door. I really don't understand that. I don't know why you just didn't open the door. I really don't understand that.
The officer says a simple citation could have ended this, but refusal escalated it into an arrest for resisting.
Whoever you were talking to gave you the worst advice in the world. This would have been a civil citation, and I would have given you a warning for the taillight. You would have been out of here.
I was talking to the other officer. I wasn't even listening to him because I know it's not even relevant to
But you were listening to him. So when I tried to open your door, you almost shut the door on my hand several times. to where my partner felt it unsafe for you to no longer sit in that truck because we didn't know what you were up to. You could have been grabbing a firearm. I didn't know what you were up to. All right, so right now, just so you're aware, you're going to jail for resist, okay?
Boyfriend's pissed. I just did my best to explain it to him, but I don't think he's still grasping what happened. So,
What happened? Were you guys here?
I wasn't, but they told me they pulled her over. She had weed in the car, and then he was on the phone with her, and they said you need to step out because there's weed in the car, and he told her to absolutely not get out of the car, which then led to them pulling her out of the car.
Who's that? Him and her?
Yeah.
Just you two of these boys?
It's on camera, Dante. It's on camera. Everything is on camera.
All I was trying to tell you was that you had no right to search.
I absolutely had a right to search your vehicle, and I explained to you why. And you still acted that way. I don't know why you just didn't exit the vehicle. We would have been done by now.
You give me the opportunity.
Yes, I did, ma'am.
Try to come and violate my
That's
rights.
not true. I gave you every opportunity to get out of that car.
You did not.
Okay. I'm not going to argue with you. All right, just hang tight for a minute. Okay. Yeah, that's her property. I just want to double check there's nothing else in there. What else? Okay, that's fine.
Mac.
I just want to make sure it's you. That's all.
Yeah, it is.
Because I can't just release a vehicle to anybody. Okay. All right, man.
I'm the one who gave y'all the insurance. You good? That's she's on.
Okay. Yeah, I'm good. Yep. Okay. I'm ready to go. Thank you.
All right. Have a good one.
Hey, do she want to keep up along with about this one release?
I
a
could
good
ask her
question.
right now. He's asking if you want to keep your belongings, like your purse and your phone, or do you want it to go with him?
Give it to him, please.
Okay, who is he to you, if you don't mind me asking?
My friend.
Your friend?
My boyfriend.
Or your boyfriend? Okay, so your wallet and your cell phone. You want them both to go with Jihad?
Yes.
Okay. All right, we'll give it to him then, okay?
I'll give my phone.
What's that? You'll take your phone?
Yeah.
Hey, she'll keep her phone.
We're going to give you her wallet. She wants you to take her wallet. She's going to keep her phone so she can get numbers out of it.
And who told y'all to go do her first?
That's
a violation.
No, it's not. She had weed on her. We're allowed to search her and everything on her.
Yes, you're making this take long. You people trying to leave. Just stay over there. Just stay over there.
Search the bag.
Yes, we can. She had weed on her. Yes, we can.
That's why she got in all this trouble, because you tell her, don't get out of the car. It's your fault.
Y'all don't do that. Y'all don't do that. Y'all don't do that. Y'all don't do that, bro. Y'all don't search first.
Anyway, she wants him to keep this, right?
Yes, I'm sorry.
No more drugs. Put it on the truck. Don't touch me. Put it on the truck. Put it on the truck. Put it on the truck. Just put it on the truck. I don't want you to say I grabbed anything aggressive. Put it on the truck. Y'all already did y'all initial search. That's fruits of poisonous tree. So I wish y'all would try. Fruits of poisonous
It's called search incident to arrest. You have no idea what you're talking about. I suggest you actually look up case law before you start trying to spit stuff out, okay?
Law dictionary in my library.
You have a what?
All right. Act like you know something.
Okay, all right. Your truck is free to
Y'all
leave,
can't
though.
phone
You're
me.
allowed to take your
I'm
truck
talking
now.
shit. Y'all can't phone me. I'm talking shit. Y'all
No,
can't do
you're
this
not.
shit.
It's not about that. You're now blocking people who are trying to leave. So go ahead, get in your truck and leave the area, please. Just move the truck.
I'm gonna do what I want.
Okay, well, you made a big deal about getting the truck out of here.
I'm gonna do what I please.
That's fine. Just do it out of people's way. Oh, my God.
I don't know why you just didn't open the door. I really don't understand that.
The officer listens. The girl admits. Her choice is born of hunger and hardship. Yet the company demands charges. Survival shifts into crime, mercy fades into procedure, and cuffs lead her into a system with little forgiveness. Hunger may drive a hand, but law carries the final word. A few cards, a few dollars, and now a felony that shadows her path ahead. In moments like these, choices echo far longer than they were meant to.